Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI 5 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. Only the basics. So first I'm gonna show you how to navigate through the system on this watch. If you want to wake up the screen on your watch, you can, I believe, tap on it or press the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and here you can do a couple of things, or rather few things. You can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you have shortcuts for different functions of the watch, like Wi-Fi, airplane mode, battery saver, brightness of the screen, do not disturb mode, and stuff like that. And you can close it by swiping up or by pressing the crown button. If you swipe up on the home screen, it will open the notification panel, and here you can check the notifications on your watch. If you swipe right on the screen, it will open the, I believe it's called card menu, and here you have different cards like weather, events, and control music. You can edit this menu by tapping on the edit button and add or remove the cards if you like to. And if you swipe left on the home screen, it will open the widgets, and here you can check different widgets. And we have widgets like heart rate, blood oxygen. Basically, you can check different information here. Okay. If you want to change the watch face, you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list, find the watch face you like, and once you find it, you can tap on it to apply it. If you want to open the settings, for example, you can do it in two ways. You can press the crown button to open the menu, find the settings icon, and then tap on it. But you can also do it by opening the quick panel and tapping on the settings icon. Once we're in settings, I can also show you that you can change the watch face through the settings. So if you find this option, watch face and home, you can tap on it. And here you can tap on watch faces. Oh, my bad. Watch faces. It will open the watch face menu. You can look for the watch face you like and then tap on it to select it and apply it. If you want to go back to home screen immediately, so let's say you open some app and you want to go back to home screen basically immediately, you need to press the crown button and it will always move you to the home screen. That's how the crown button works. If you want to move only back, like let's say one page, so let's say you open the settings and you want to go back one page, you can swipe right on the screen, it will move you back one page, like this. So if you open, let's say, Bluetooth menu and you want to go back to the main page of settings, you can swipe right. Like I said before, pressing the crown button moves you back to home screen immediately. What else can I mention? If you want to, of course, turn on the do not disturb mode, you can swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on this icon right here. But if by default it will be called mode, I believe. But you can tap on this icon right next to the torch. Actually, let's tap on the, it should be, oh right, you need to tap right here. It will let you to select the type of mode. And if you want to turn on the do not disturb mode, you tap on it and tap on the check mark. It will turn it on, and then you can turn it off by tapping on it again. If you want to turn off the watch, you need to press and hold the crown button. It will open the power menu in few seconds. Then you need to tap on power off, and the watch will turn off. If you tap on it again, of course. And to turn it back on, you need to press and hold the crown button until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. And let's wait until it turns on. Okay, we're back in the system, and last one thing I want to show you is how to adjust the screen brightness. So you can open quick panel by swiping down, and here you have brightness slider, and you can adjust the brightness by swiping on it. You can also do this through the settings. So if you open the settings and tap on the option called display and brightness here, and then you can tap on brightness. And right here you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. Also, the automatic brightness might be enabled by default, and if this option is enabled, it will change the brightness automatically. So if you change the brightness, it might readjust it later on. So if you want it to stay at the same level, you need to disable the automatic brightness. Okay. And I would say that's about all. And that's how you use this watch. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.